You know what time it is. What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. Today I'm going to be talking about the AMG transmission in the 1988 BMW E30. So this comes from the AMG department. It's not from the M department, which, as you guys know, M department means manual. So we're going to put in our wireless CAE shifter right now. Well, it does have a bit of a wire right here for the line lock. Pretty much I just mount this thing up. Bit of gaffer's tape, throw it into first gear, as you can see right there, and then we can let out the clutch and start driving. So I want to show you guys this awesome technology from 1988. As you can see, it's all CNC billet aluminum from the CNC machines that were around in 1988, which were always, you know, it was always some really modern technology that BMW used to do. And well, now they're partnering up with the AMG department, which is great for the automatic manual gearbox. We just kind of drive like this. I mean, this thing's pretty sick. It has the dual clutch right here, so dual clutch hits. And really, this is an awesome transmission. I mean, right now we're in second gear. You can see there, and you can see here. I mean, it has just ridiculously quick shifts. I mean, watch this. As you can see there, we're back down into first gear, which is crazy. We put the CAE into first gear as well, and well, you can see we're ready to go. All right, clutch in. All right, perfect. It's all the way down. All right, I gotta use my foot to let it back out. We're gonna shift up to second. Ready? Boom. Okay. Woo! All right. You can see it really shifts fast. I mean, it just bangs off the rev limiter. Which is what you want it to do, you know, first to second. You want it to just basically hit rev limiter in between gears. That way you know that the car is going fast. I mean, pretty much, you know, so that's cool. We're gonna hit third gear right here. All right, that was good. It's pretty good right now. We're just cruising. As you can see, it's pretty fast. We'll go down to third gear. We'll select it here and here. All right, watch this. Oh, do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? That's how fast the dual clutch transmission is. This is dual clutch and dual shift, which is a modern convenience on most cars. And then you have the automatic hold clutch pedal, which is cool. It stays right down there. We're gonna downshift, so we're gonna heel toe. We're gonna heel toe down another gear. Now we're gonna get it into the gear. All right, we're holding gears. We're banging that gear. As you can see, it's pretty dang quick, and that is pretty nice. All right, I'm ripping around my CAE. It's getting scratched. Don't let the CAE get scratched. This is the M Motorsports pin right here. Reinstall that real quick. Okay, guys. So whoa, my clutch pedal. All right. So as you guys know, with the AMG, you have to use the ball and the toe. This is what they talk about, heel and toe. So when you're doing a heel toe downshift, you put the clutch in, you use your toe to pick up on the clutch, and then you keep driving. You hit your second gear right there. You hit your second gear here, actually down to first. All right, now we're gonna hit second. All right, second gear, woo! All right. That's pretty good. Now we're gonna heel toe down into first. All right, you can see that really smooth downshift. And then up into second. Okay, all right. We're in second gear right now. You can see it holds the RPMs pretty dang good. Pretty dang good. We're gonna bang it up to third. All right, woo! Oh my God, all right. That's pretty incredible. You know, I don't like to hold the CAE because, you know, it can put some excess wear on the transmission, but you know, sometimes you just have to for those extra G-forces when you're ripping around corners. I mean, you know, it just kind of helps a bit. And you downshift down, which is nice. So I mean, clutch in, first gear, you know, just let the clutch out with the toe. There you go. Hit it into second, hit it into second. Clutch down, toe. I mean, that's pretty much all there is to driving an AMG transmission. You know, we got the AMG, we got the CAE, we got the dual clutch, we got the heel toe, and we got the brake pedal and the gas pedal. So you can easily use the ball of your foot to rev match down a gear. It's pretty much all there is, guys. If you want to drop a comment down below if you need any more information on how to drive the dual clutch, dual shift, heel toe, you know, manual AMG transmission in motorsports, just let me know. Drop it down in the comments, and maybe I can help you out with a setup like this. All right, guys, later. And obviously April Fools, but you know, if you got this far, congratulations. If not, then well, whatever, we'll rip it. Fun car, fun ride. We'll talk to you guys soon. Later, and wrench on.